Hey, it's Joseph from Magic Touch USA. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a Father's Day t-shirt using the Magic 24-inch DTF system. With this system, we give you a computer that's dedicated with the DTF machine that already has the Cadlink software on it. This machine is equipped with dual 2 Epson 3200 print heads. It prints very fast, very quick, about 8 seconds for a 12x18 logo. Goes through the dryer, puts the powder on. You can vent it like this, or we give you a ventilation system itself, and then it comes out here and cures very quickly. Now, let me show you how to press a Father's Day t-shirt. All right, now that we printed our Father's Day logo on our DTF Magic system, we're gonna press it. Now, what makes us special is we actually manufacture our own film and our own inks. So these are grade A inks and grade A film. That allows us to do a very thin film, press at a low temperature and low time. So we're gonna press this bad boy for 300 degrees for a whopping 5 seconds. Now, this can either be a hot or a cold peel. That's what's the advantage of the DTF Magic film. After the 5 seconds are done, as you can see, this is hot, still off a heat press. We're just going to take it right off. And there you go. That's how quick and easy it is to do a transfer on a DTF Magic system. Look at the vibrant colors, detail, looks beautiful. Next, this is, again, hot off a heat press. We're gonna stretch it. And still looks good. Click on that link below for more information on the DTF Magic system.